Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Short Squeeze in Hamster Kombat. Let's get started. So once you reach Hamster Kombat, you're going to go to the bottom where there are different tabs: Mine, Playground, Friends, and Earn. We're going to select Mine. And then we are going to select Specials. So right now we are on PR and Team. So we're going to go to the right side and then select Specials. Then you're going to scroll all the way down. And there you go. It says Short Squeeze, and then we have Long Squeeze. So we are going to select that one. So now it says Short Squeeze. Invite plus 3 or more friends to unlock this card. So what you need to do is you're going to select it, right? And then you're going to copy the link, and you are going to send a link to at least 3 people. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.